Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2022. Question number 8b is using Buckingham's pi theorem obtain the expression for head capacity and power coefficient of an incompressible flow turbo machine. So first of all, head. So head depends upon velocity and acceleration. The dimension of head is L and the velocity Lt minus 2 and acceleration due to gravity A or G, that is Lt minus 2. As here the fundamental dimensions are 2 L and T and number of variables are 3 H, V and G. So number of pi terms are 3 minus 2, that is 1. Suppose H and V are repeating variables, so then pi 1 will be here H, A, B, B, G. So dimension of H is L, dimension of V is Lt minus 1, dimension of G is Lt minus 2. If we compare L here, then it will be A plus B plus 1 is equal to 0 or A plus B is equal to minus. If we compare T, then minus B minus 2 is equal to 0, so B is your minus 2. Okay, and putting here value of B, A will be your 1. Okay, so A is 1 now and B is minus 2. So the pi term will be here HV minus 2 G, or we can say V square is equal to C1 G, or V is equal to root 2 GH, or H is equal to V square by 2. So that is your first expression. Now moving on to second expression. Second is for power or capacity. So it depends upon mass for it, that is m dot rho cube mt minus 1, acceleration due to gravity, that is Lt minus 2, head L, and units of power are ml square T minus 3. So these are the 4 variables and fundamental dimension are m, L and T, 3. The number of pi term is 1. So pi 1 is your for m dot G H are repeating variables. So m dot A G H G power B H power C equal to P. So A, so dimension of m is mt minus 1 and dimension of G is Lt minus 2, dimension of H is L and dimension of P is ml square T minus 3. So if we compare m mass, then A will be minus 1. If we compare T, then it will be minus A minus 2B minus 3, or A will be, if we put A is equal to minus 1, then B we can calculate that it comes out as minus 1. And comparing L, if we compare L, so it will be B plus C plus 2, and B is A is minus 1, B is minus 1, so C is your minus 1. So pi 1 will be, pi term will be here m dot Gh straight for minus 1, because A is minus 1, B is minus 1, C is minus 1, and P is there. So P is equal to m dot Gh or rho Q Gh. Okay. So that is the second expression. Now third is your power coefficient. So Cp is for power coefficient, that depends on power, and its dimensions are ml square T minus 3, and mass flow rate, that is dimensions are mt minus 1, and velocity, that is lt minus 1. So there are 4 variables. Dimension of Cp, the dimensionless quantity. So there are 4 variables and 3 fundamental variables. So number of pi terms are again 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So pi 1 is your m dot A for A, B for B, C for C, and Cp. Dimension of m dot is mt minus 1, dimension of B is Lt minus 1, dimension of power is ml square T minus 2 C, and dimension of Cp is m0 L0 T0. So comparing m, A will be equal to A plus 1 equal to 1, or A will be minus 1, and comparing L, B plus 2C is equal to 0, or B is equal to minus 2C, and comparing T, minus B minus 3c and minus a will be equal to 0. And if we put b is equal to minus 2c, or it will be minus a plus 2c minus 3c, so c will be here 1. So from this, if we, because this is dimensionless, we can take this also as ct. So if we take this c as ct, so it will ct p raised to power c p raised power c is 1, and m raised power a minus 1, and b raised power b is here. We put b here, b is here minus 2, so it will be m dot v square, so cp here m dot v square, or we can say cp is here half m, half rho a b cube, because m dot is rho a b. That is the expression for cp.